Yeah, I'm feeling great. Thank you. So before going to start our class, let us start our class with an activity. Are you all ready for the activity?
Yes.
Okay. For the activity, I am going to divide the class into two teams. Okay. So this all side students will be team A, and this all style students will be the team B. Okay. I will pose few questions. Give me the answers. For each question, I will give 5 marks to you. Okay. Are you all ready for the activity?
Yes.
Okay. So team A and team B. So team A, first your question. What is the capital of India?
New Delhi.
New Delhi. Very good. Give claps for team A should give answers. Okay.
We give New Delhi.
There is no answer, madam. Okay. So let us give the claps for team A. We got 5 marks. Now team B, your question. How many states are there in our country? 28. Very good, correct answer. Team B got 5 marks. Let us give a big round of applause to team B. Now team A, your question. So, what is the first largest crop grown in our country?
Rice.
Rice. Very good. You got 5 marks. Let us give claps for team A. Now team B, your question. So, how many natural features are present in our country? Any answers? 5, 4, 3, 2. Yes, very good. Mountains, plains, plateaus. Very good. So, Prasanna has gave few answers. Natural features in the sense nothing but mountains, plains, plateaus, rivers. So, all these what we call natural features. Do you know, children, about natural features of India? Okay, let us learn more about these natural features of India in today's class. So today we are going to learn about natural features of India, which we also call it as physical features or physical divisions of India. Physical divisions of Everyone clap yourself. Well played. So the ELOs that you are going to achieve from this topic are recall, identify, state, list, explain, give reason, compare and contrast. So, see my dear students, what is this?
India map.
India map. What type of map it is? Is it a physical map or political map?
Physical map.
This map is represent physical map. So, can you see any states and capitals in this map?
No.
So, only it presents that like Himalayas, northern plains, all these are physical features of India. So, this map we call it as physical map. So, as you can see that, so this map is an India map. Why this map? Can you please tell me that? Why different regions are there in this map? This entire map. Why? Compared to this, see, observe this. Compared to this region is different. Can you observe the shade? Compared to this region is different. Compared to this region, here region is different. Why all these regions are different? Because our India is a vast country. Because of that, we have a different regions in our country. Let us see that what are the different physical divisions are there or different physical features are there in our country. So, there are so many different natural features are there in our country like mountains, plains, plateaus, islands, all these are. Today in this class, we are going to learn about main 3 physical features. The first one is The Himalayas. What is the first one, my dears?
Himalayas.
Himalayas. And the second one is the northern plains. And the third one, the peninsular plateau. So these three are main important major physical divisions of India. What are the three? The Himalayas, the northern plains and the peninsular plateau. What is the meaning of physical division? Physical division in the sense divisions made on the basis of region with a similar features. For example, see this Himalayas. All the area is a similar feature, like all here are mountains. Similar physical feature is there. So this is, we call it as physical division or physical feature. Got it? So now let us see one by one. First one, the Himalayas. What does the meaning of Himalayas or mountains? Mountains or Himalayas are highest landforms on the earth. Just imagine these are the mountains or Himalayas. The Himalayas or mountains are highest landforms on the earth and it has a high, at the top it has a peak. Okay. Next, these are called Himalayas or mountains. The Himalayas are located to the northeast direction of India. From here to here you can observe. From north to east. Got it? Next, moving on to the next one. The northern plains. See here, after Himalayas, we have a northern plains. Observe this region. So northern plains have a, what are the northern plains in the sense? A vast stretch of flat lands are called northern plains. So here the temperature is moderate and here the soil is very fertile. Okay, what is the moderate temperature? See my dears, when you go to the Himalayas, how was the climate will be there? It is very cool. When you go to the Rajasthan, like desert areas like Rajasthan and Gujarat, how is the climate will be there? It is very hot. So here the temperature is moderate. In the sense, the plain areas temperature not very much hot, not very much cool like a desert. So here plain areas maintain a temperature, moderate temperature. And here the soil is very fertile. In the sense, very smooth and slick, which is suitable to grow the agriculture crops. Okay, next moving on. And do you know children, the plains are also, we call it as food bowl of India. Why? In the sense, because of different types of the crops like wheat, rice, sugarcane, jute, all those are grown in the northern plains. Next, moving on to the third physical feature, the peninsular plateau. So plateaus are like highlands, but these are not mountains. If you see the plateaus are high, but at the top it is a flat. This type of landforms or this type of physical features, we call it as plateaus. Okay, so India, most part of our India country is covered with a peninsular plateau. Got it, my dear children? So these are the main three physical divisions of India. Evaluation. So the Himalayas, the northern plains and the peninsular plateau. Observe here, just assume this is a mountain, highest landforms. Just assume these are plains, flat lands. Okay. Now just assume this is a plateau. See that plateaus are high from the plains, but it is not high than the mountains. Got it? Mountains are highest landforms, plateaus are flat landforms. Sorry, plains are flat landforms and plateaus are high, but at the top it is flat. Because of its shape, the plateaus are also called it as tablelands. Got it? So these are the main three physical divisions of our country. Now let us go, see here. Now let us go to the evaluation chart. So identify the physical map or political map it is. Next, state. What we state? State the term physical division. You have to write what does the meaning of physical division. Next, list. what are list the three natural features of India. List out the three natural features of India. And next, we have written that explain. What we have to explain? Explain the structure of peninsular plateau, how the plateaus will be. Okay, you have to explain. Next, give a reason. Wow. Why northern plains are called foot bowl of India? You have to give a reason. Next, compare and contrast. So compare and contrast the mountains and plateaus. Both are highlands, but what are the similarities and what are the differences? You have to list out and write it down. Now, for the home fun, I am giving some charts to you, like India maps. So in this India map, you have to locate the physical divisions and mark and count. Tomorrow we will discuss in the class. Okay? Thank you.